How's it going, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a full factory reset on your HP Envy printer. Now, if your HP Envy looks like this, it applies to it. They all have different numbers, but if it's an Envy, this applies. Now, a factory reset is really simple to do, and it's a fantastic option if you're just having loads of issues with this printer, or if you haven't used this printer in a long time and you want to reset it up. This is the easiest way to get that started. So we're going to go on the screen here and we're going to head to Menu. And then we're going to scroll down to Tools, and then we're going to click Maintenance, and then Restore Settings. We're going to click Restore All Factory Defaults, okay? It's going to warn you, and this will basically make your printer new again, okay? This is like the rebirth of your HP printer. So you want to click Restore, it will take a few minutes, and then it will send you back to the beginning menu where it will ask you for your language, and it will also tell you to scan a QR code to do the full setup. So that's it for today's video, guys. It was really quick. I just wanted to show you. Hopefully that's okay. If this helped you, please help us out by subscribing. And if you want to know how to do the full setup on your video once you've done the factory reset, click the link in the description below. Goodbye.